Good evening, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So good evening all. Sarath Sai, you are new. Next Pushpa, yourself also. Right. Once again welcome you to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Right. Vaishnavi, Cheti, Narla Venkateshwarlu, Ashwareddy, Murthy, Pragada. Okay. Surya Teja, Chintu. Right. Okay. Binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. Part 4. Part 4. This is today's chapter. Thank you, Pushpa. Okay, question number 27. Question number 27. Hi Karimullah. Hi. Asha, hi. Everybody. Okay, let us start. The fifth term in the expansion of 2x square plus 3 upon x whole to the power of 5 is first option 810 x to the power of minus 2, second option 810 times x to the power of minus 4. Yes, 27 question. Okay, Jayasri. Good evening, Narla. Arsha. Okay. Alekia. Third option 810. Fourth option 810 x to the power of minus 5. Right. So in this question we need to find out fifth term in the expansion. Fifth term means general term. We need to recall. That means solution will be like this. So in this expansion, x for 2x square, a for 3 upon x, n equals to 5. Fifth term you need to find out. That means t5. This t5 we can write t4 plus 1 because we know the general term formula tr plus 1 equals to ncr x to the power of n minus r and a power r. So let the respective values we need to substitute now. So this equals to now n means 5, 5c4, x means 2x square whole to the power of 5 minus 4, 1, and next a means 3 upon x raised to power 4. This is 5c4. 5c4 is equal to, very interesting factor, 5c4 is equal to 5c 5 minus 4, 5c1. So whose value is 5. So instead of 5c4 you can write 5 multiplied by 2x square and 3 power 4 is 81 upon x to the power of 4. This is 810. So upon x to the power x square by x to the power of 4 means 4 minus 2, 2 x square. So this can be rewritten as 810 x to the power of minus 2. As a negative power we can express it. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay, now 28th question. 28th question, number 28. Yes, Ajay Khanna, Rushik Vardhan, Surya Teja, Vamshi. Yes, Preeti. Right. Option 1. The third term the third term from the end the third term from the end in the expansion of x cube upon 2 minus 2 upon x square whole to the power of 8 is, okay, first option 448 x to the power of minus 6, second option 224 upon x, third 448 upon x, fourth option 224 times x to the power of minus 6. Okay, so now this time we are not asked to find out third term directly. Third term from the end we need to find out. Third term from the end means, for example, rth term from the end is given by n minus r plus 2 term from the beginning. So that means we have one formula. Rth term from end equals to n minus r plus second term from beginning. From beginning. Right. So first what we need to find out means actually here, remember, third term from end equals to n means 8 minus 3 plus 2 the term equals to, we can write seventh term. That means find T7 in the expansion. T7 equals to, directly I will write T6 plus 1. This is 8C6. X means x cube upon 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Minus 2 by x square whole to the power of 6. You need to simplify this one. Then you will get the answer. So now 8C6 equals to 8C2. 8C2 is 8 into 7 by 2 into 1. That is actually 28. So this we can write 28 times x power 6 upon 4. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 6 is 64 upon x power 12. X power 12. This is 4 7 ja. That means you will be getting 64 into 7. 64 into 7 means 7 4 ja 28. 7 6 ja 42. 448. So that means 448 upon x to the power of 6. That can be written x to the power of minus 6. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Right. I hope you might have understood this method. Right. Good evening Surya Prakash. Right. Next you need to remember this one. Right. Next let us move to the 29th question. 29th. Right, 29th. The coefficient of x cube, okay Govind, in 2x minus 3 upon x square whole to the power of 9 is, right. Now the first option, 2 power 9 times 3 power 5, second 2 power 8 times 3 power 5, third option 2 power 8 times 3 power 4, fourth option 2 power 9 times 3 power 4. Coefficient means numerical value we need to find out. Okay, here we don't have any physics and chemistry classes, right. So now the coefficient of x cube we need to find out. So that means which term of this expansion will be consisting of x cube coefficient. We need to find out the term, required term we need to find out. So for that purpose actually you see this, we need to write n value, n equals to 9. This x power is known as p, that is 1. Here x power is known as q, that is 2. Here x cube, this is called k or s, anything you can say, or s you can say. S value is 3. Now r value is given by here np minus s by p plus q. So np means 9 minus s means 3, p plus q means 3, 6 by 3. That means r value is 2. R value is 2 means, so then tr plus 1, that is equal to t2 plus 1, t3. Third term contains x cube coefficient. That means we need to find out third term. Third term means t3 can be written t2 plus 1. Here 9c2, nc2 means x means 2x whole to the power of 7, 9 minus 2, and minus 3 upon x square whole square. Just we need coefficient only. That means coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube is equal to 9c2. 9c2 means 9 into 8 upon 2 into 1 multiplied by here 2 power 7 into minus 3 square is 3 square right on here. This will be 2 power 4. This will be 3 square. See, 4 means 2 square, that will be 2 power 9 multiplied by 3 square into 3 square, 3 power 4. 2 power 9 times 3 power 4. So that means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Right, understood? Serenia, after a long time. Where had you been? Right. Question number 30. If the coefficient of x in x square plus k upon x whole to the power of 5 is 270. This type of question is very important question. Then k equals to good evening. Suma is there, or any other may give my number. Okay, now first option is 3, second option is 4, third option is 5, fourth option is 6. This is very important question. Right. Now the coefficient of x, we need to first decide the which term of this expansion will be consisting of x coefficient. That we need to find out first of all. So okay, let us see first. Now here n equals to 5, p equals to 2 x square here, q equals to 1. Next x power means 1 here, that s is equal to 1. R value is given by shortcut np minus s by p plus q. np means 10 minus 1, p plus q is 3, 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3. R value is 3. Therefore, tr plus 1 equal to t4. T4 term is consisting of x. So now here T4 term let us find out. T4 term. T4 equals to, we can write T3 plus 1 equal to 5c3 x square whole square and k upon x whole cube. But we need coefficient. Already coefficient of x is given. Coefficient of x is being given that 270. Just here coefficient value write down, that is 5c3 into k cube equal to 270 we have. Now here we need to find out right. Here we need to find out 5c3. 5c3 equals to 5c2. This is 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. This is 10. So you remember this value. Now you can write 10 k cube is equal to 270. K cube is equal to 27. K cube is equal to 3 cube. Therefore, k equals to 3. That means first option is the right option. Right. Okay. Question number 31. Question number 31. If the coefficient coefficient of x to the power of 7 in ax square plus 1 upon bx whole to the power of 11 whole to the power of 11. Anybody give my number to Priyanka Reddy? I will discuss with her. Is equal to the coefficient of x to the power of minus 7 in ax minus 1 by bx square whole to the power of 11. Then first option, a into b equals to minus 1. Second option, a equals to b. Third option, ab equals to 1. Fourth, a plus b equals to 0. Okay, now here we have actually two problems, because first we need to find out the coefficient of x to the power of n in ax square plus 1 by bx up to the power of 11. Next, x to the power of minus 7 coefficient in ax minus 1 by bx square whole to the power of 11. So let us do both now here. See, let us come to first part here, this part. Here I am writing directly r equals to np minus s by p plus q. See, np 11 into 2, 22 minus 7 by p plus q. 2 plus 1 is 3 is 15. 15 by 3, 5. That means we need to find out t6 term, t5 plus 1, that we can write in this one 11c5 ax square whole to the power of 6, 11 minus 5, 1 upon bx whole to the power of 5. Therefore, x to the power of 7 coefficient, x to the power of 7 coefficient is equal to 11c5 a power 6 into 1 by b power 5. Say equation 1. This is in first one. Let us go for second one. R value is equal to same np minus s by p plus q. Here 11 into 1, 11. So here s is minus 7. Minus of minus plus 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 you will be getting. That means you need to find out t7, that is t6 plus 1 equal to 11c6 ax whole to the power of 5 and minus 1 by bx square whole to the power of 6. Here therefore x to the power of minus 7 coefficient, this equal to 11c6 a power 5 minus 1 to the power of 6 is plus times 1 by b power 6. This is 2. According to the problem, these two are equal. So that means now let us equate these two. According to the problem, 11c5 a power 6 upon b power 5 equals to 11c6 a power 5 by b power 6. Okay, but very interesting factor here, 11c6 is equal to 11c, 11 minus 6 is 11c5. That means these two can be gets cancelled. Understood now? Right. Here now, this I will write a power 6 by a power 5 equals to b power 5 by b power 6. That implies a power 6 by a power 5 is a equals to 1 by 6 minus 1 b. Cross multiplication ab equals to 1. This is the answer. AB equals to 1 means third option is the right option. Third option is right option. Right, understood now? So, okay, how to take P? Let me explain P value. Wait, don't worry. So, this is the P value. This is P. This x power is 1. This is Q. This is N. Similarly, here also. Here P will be 1. Q will be 2. This is Q. This is N. Okay. Second problem. 30-second problem. Here see, the minus 1 to the power of 6 is plus 1 only, not minus 1. Yes. Minus 1 by bx square whole to the power of 6 is actually minus 1 to the power of 6 plus. That's why there is no chance of getting negative value. Right. 30-second problem. The coefficients of one time is enough. Okay. The coefficients of x square and x cube of 3 plus ax whole to the power of 9 are equal then a equals to first option 9 upon 7, second option 7 upon 9, third option minus 9 upon 7, fourth minus 7 upon 9. This is the question. Okay. So now the coefficients of x square x cube of 3 plus ax whole to the power of 9 are equal. Then we need to find out a value. First we need to write a x square coefficient in this expansion. X square coefficient means this is the third term here in this one, find out. X cube coefficient means fourth term, first find out. So that means actually first let us find out a third term. T3 is equal to T2 plus 1 equal to 9C2 3 to the power of 7 and ax whole to the power of 2. Say equation 1 this is. And next x cube. X cube means that will be consisting of fourth term. T4 is equal to T3 plus 1. This we can write 9C3 3 power 6 ax whole cube. Second, you see carefully, this 9c2 3 power 7, a square is the x square coefficient. X cube coefficient is 9c3 3 power 6, a cube. So they are equal. Understood now? So that means according to the problem or in accordance with the problem, according to the given conditions, given condition, this 9c3 3 power 6 a cube equals to 9c2 3 power 7 a square. Okay, this we can write now 9c3 upon 9c2, okay, to a cube upon a square equals to 3 power 7 by 3 power 6. Can I write like this? You check it now, this step. Okay, 9c3 upon 9c2 is 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 by 3. A cube by a square is a. 3 power 7 by 3 power 6 is 3. A equals to 3 multiplied by 3 by 7. That's equal to 9 upon 7. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay, Suma, no problem. Right. Thirty-three. The coefficient of x to the power of minus 15, x to the power of minus 15 in 3x square minus 1 by 3x cube whole to the power of 10 is first option 40 upon 27, second minus 40 upon 27, third option 40 upon 81, fourth option minus 40 upon 81. This is the problem. No. I don't continue. Up to 5:30 the class. Only 1 hour. Right. So now the coefficient of x to the power of minus 15 we need to find out. Okay, let me explain. What is the p value? What is the n value? What is the s value? And r we need to find out here. See, this is p. All of you check it. This is q. This is n. This will be s. Here n equals to 10, p equals to 2, q equals to 3, s is equal to minus 15. Formula r equals to np minus s or k upon p plus q. np 20 minus s, minus of minus plus 15 upon this will be p plus q. P plus q is 5. 35 by 5, 7. That means tr plus 1, t8 term. That means x to the power of minus 15 is, the 8th term is consisting of x to the power of minus 15 coefficient. That means you need to find out t8. This can be written t7 plus 1, which can be written 10c7 3x square 10 minus 7 is 3, minus 1 upon 3x cube whole to the power of 7. So now we need x to the power of minus 15 coefficient. X to the power of minus 15 coefficient equals to 10c7 3 cube times minus 1 to the power of 7. This is very important. Minus 1 to the power of even number is, actually you will be getting minus 1 to the power of even number is plus 1, minus 1 to the power of odd is minus. You get minus only. This you need to write minus 10c3 into 3 cube means 27 into 1. So minus 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 multiplied by 27. This is 3 9 ja. Okay. Sorry. I didn't observe here. Actually, wait. I did mistake. Calculation mistake. I should be very careful. Sorry. Absolutely sorry. Yes. Here minus 1 to the power of 7. Minus 1 upon 3 is there. 3 power 7. So that means minus 10c7 means 10c3 into 1 upon 3 power 4. This we need to find out separately. See 10c3 equals to 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3 into 2 into 1. 3 3 ja, 2 4 ja. This will be how much? 120. So minus 120 into 1 by 3 into 3 cube, 27. So that will be minus 40 by 27. That means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Right. Thirty-fourth question. 34th question. (10c7) is equal to 10c7 equals to 10c10 minus 7, that is 10c3. Okay. In the expansion of 2 plus x by 3 whole to the power of n, coefficients of x to the power of 7 and x to the power of 8 are equal, then n equals to, this is very important question. This is an evergreen question. Actually, always this will be very important. Okay. First option is 49. second option is 50, third option is 55, answer is 55, fourth option is 56. Okay. In the expansion of 2 plus x by 3 whole to the power of n, coefficients of x to the power of 7 and x to the power of 8 are equal. Then we need to find out n value. So x to the power of 7 coefficient means, so we need to find out T8, 8 term. T8 equals to T7 plus 1. This we can write NC7 2 to the power of n minus 7 x by 3 whole to the power of 7. Say equation 1 this is. To get x to the power of 8, T9, ninth term. So that means T9 equals to, we can write T8 plus 1. This we can write NC8 2 to the power of n minus 8 and x upon 3 whole to the power of 8. According to the problem, coefficients are equal. Coefficients are equal. Only coefficients, equate the coefficients. So that means actually write you can NC8 2 power n minus 8. Here coefficient is 1 by 3 power 8. 1 by 3 power 8 equals to, from this one NC7 2 power n minus 7 to 1 by 3 power 7. So we need to rearrange the terms. See, NC8 upon NC7, so that we can apply shortcut, equal to 3 power 7 by 3 power 8 equals to 2 power n minus 7 upon 2 power n minus 8. This can be written NC8 by NC7 means n minus 7 upon 8 multiplied by 3 power 7 by 3 power 8 is 1 by 8 minus 7, 1 by 3 equals to 2 to the power of n minus 7 minus n plus 8. N cancel, this becomes 2. You cross multiply. N minus 7 by 24 equals to 2. N minus 7 equals to 48. N equals to 48 plus 7, 55. I already told you. So this is the answer. Third option. Because this is very important problem. This actually I have been teaching for since 1987, this question. Right. (35). Question number 35. If the coefficient of x in the expansion of 1 plus ax whole to the power of 8 1 plus 3x whole to the power of 4 minus 1 plus x whole cube 1 plus 2x whole to the power of 4 is 0. Yes. Then a equals to, first option 1 by 4, second option minus 1 by 4, third option 1 by 8, fourth option minus 1 by 8. So this is the question. We need to pick up the coefficient of x in the expansion. Expansion means actually one thing, remember here. How to find, let me explain. So very simple, let me explain here. 1 multiplied by this 1 multiplied by x coefficient of this expansion, and next 1 multiplied by x coefficient of this, again 1 multiplied by x coefficient of this one, reversal. So we get next similarly minus 1 multiplied by x coefficient of this expansion and 1 multiplied by x coefficient of 1 plus x cube, and that is equated to 0. See, I will do solution. 1 multiplied by, write down, 1 into coefficient of x in 1 plus 3x whole to the power of 4 plus, now 1 multiplied by coefficient of x in 1 plus ax whole to the power of 8. This is one step. You say first step, this is second step. For this one, see, 1 multiplied by coefficient of x in 1 plus 2x whole to the power of 4, and plus again 1 multiplied by coefficient of x in 1 plus x whole cube. Say this is something, say this is p, this value will be p, say this value will be q. We need to find out p minus q is equal to 0 or p is equal to q also, we can equate it. Understood now? So let us write it now. P value, let us find out p value first. P value, p equals to here 1 multiplied by coefficient of x in this one. Coefficient of x means, see, we have one formula here. Coefficient of x is NC1. Understood now? NC1 means actually here 4C1 into x means 3x. 3x means here 3. You need to write into 3 plus 1 multiplied by coefficient of x in this one. That is, you can write 8C1 into a. So here 4C1 is 4. 4 into 3, 12. Plus 8C1 is 8. 8a. P value is 8a. Next q value. Q value is this one now. 1 multiplied by coefficient of x, that is 4C1 into 2x. 2x means 2 you get. Plus 1 multiplied by 3C1 into x coefficient is 1. 4C1 is 4. 4 into 2, 8. Plus this will be 3. So 11. According to the problem, p minus q equals to 0. That means p equals to q. 8a plus 12 equals to 11. 8a equals to minus 1. A equals to minus 1 by 8. That means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Suma, check your solution. Right now. Actually, if you expand, it takes a lot of time. Only whatever coefficients are required, that we need to do. So this 1 multiplied by x coefficient of this expansion plus again this 1 multiplied by x coefficient of this one minus, so separate it. Now 1 multiplied by coefficient of this one plus again reverse 1 multiplied coefficient of 1 plus x cube. Coefficient of 1 plus x cube is actually coefficient of x to the power of r is NCR. Understood now? That's here I have written 4c1, but actually not x, here we have 3 is there. So 3 need to be written. Plus 1 multiplied by 8c1, here a is there, a I have written. This is 12 plus 8a. The similar manner q. So p minus q is equal to 0 we have. So p is equal to q. So we need to add it. Actually 2 terms you will be getting. What is a plus b whole square? In a plus b whole square you get ab plus ab to ab. So in the similar manner. Right. Now 36th question. 36th question. Okay. 36th question. The term independent of x, that means independent of x or constant term. Okay, the term independent of x in 2 root x minus 3 upon x to the power of 1 by 3 whole to the power of 20 is independent term or constant term or absolute term, both are same. First option 20c8 multiplied 2 power 8 multiplied 3 power 12. Second option minus 20c8 2 power 8 3 power 12. Third option 20c7 2 power 7 3 power 13. Fourth option minus 20c7 2 power 7 3 power 13. First what we need to find out means which term of the expansion is independent term, that we need to decide. Right. So that means first of all here this is n is equal to 20. So this power of p is equal to 1 by 2. This power, this is q is equal to 1 by 3. R value for independent term np by p plus q. Np means 20 into half, 10 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. This is 10 upon 6 is the LCM, 5 by 6. This we can write 10 by 1 into 6 by 5. So that means R value is 12. That means 13th term is the independent term, T13. This we can write T12 plus 1. That's equal to 20C12 2 root x whole to the power of 8 minus 3 x to the power of 1 by 3 whole to the power of 12. Just we need only coefficients. Leave the x terms here. C12 can be written as 20C12 can be written as 20C8 This now independent term equals to 20C8 into 2 to the power of 8 minus 3 to the power of 12. 12 is the even number. You get 3 to the power of 12. Which is the right option? Yes. First option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay. Question number 37. Question number 37. The term independent of x in root over x by 3 plus root 3 upon 2x square whole to the power of 10 is the term independent of x in root of x by 3 plus root 3 upon 2x square whole to the power of 10. First option 10c1, second option 5 upon 12, third option 1, fourth option 32. Similar method need to be adopted here. Now we need to adopt. So here this is n is 10, this power root p is off, q will be here 2, r value is to find out independent term np by p plus q, np 10 multiplied by half is 5, p plus q 1 by 2 plus 2, this will be 5 by 1 upon, this will be 5 by 2, 5 by 1 into 2 by 5, this will be 2. That means third term we need to find out. Third term is the independent term t3, t2 plus 1, r is 2, 10c2 root of x by 3 whole to the power of 8 root 3 upon 2x square whole to the power of 2. So independent term equals to 10c2 into this will be 1 by root 3 whole to the power of 8, 1 by 3 power 4 into this will be root 3 square is 3 by 4, 10c2 is 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1 into 1 by 3 square is 9 into 9 right on into 3 upon 4, 9 gets cancelled, and next to 5 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, this will be 5 upon 12, 5 by 12 is the right answer, 5 by 12 is the right answer. So thank you, bye bye, see you tomorrow. We shall meet you in the morning classes. So this evening session will be continued for the binomial theorem, and binomial theorem after I start functions in the evening. After that algebra functions, everybody is asking functions, so immediately after completion of binomial theorem I start function chapter. Okay, thank you one and all, bye, see you.